In the vast golden savanna, there lived a cheetah named Chase. He was the fastest animal in the land, known for his incredible speed and sharp reflexes. Other animals admired him, but also feared him, as they thought he only cared about winning races and hunting for food. One hot afternoon, Chase was resting under a tall acacia tree when he heard a weak cry. He looked around and saw a small, injured rabbit named Remy. His leg was caught in a thorny bush, and he was unable to move. Chase could have easily walked away. After all, he was a predator, and Remy was just a tiny rabbit. But instead, he gently approached and said, "Don't worry, little one, I will help you." Using his sharp claws, he carefully removed the thorns and cleaned the wound with his tongue. Remy looked up in surprise. "Thank you, Chase. I thought you would harm me." Chase smiled. "Speed and strength are important, but kindness makes us truly great." Word spread across the savannah about the compassionate cheetah. The animals no longer feared him, but admired him even more, not for his speed, but for his kind heart. Moral: true greatness comes from kindness, not just strength or skill. Thanks for watching.